Today I'm gonna share with you an amazing horror that you will not giving cost any single dollar for subscription by multiple AI system. Multiple AI like a ChatGPT, Grok, Gemini, everyone have to pay. You pay a lot. Today I'm gonna share with you totally you can free any model. Totally free. Let's dive into here. You go to this website link. I'm share with you in the description. You just come here and hit okay. Here the website link. You just come here, copy and just paste. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Then you come here. There is a mode. I'm just explaining. This is the battle mode. You just ask anything and you want to compare two chat model it reply, then you just ask say, so let's say I ask anything uh, uh, where okay they have say this model is two model battling. They just give you answer like that way. Which pattern? Gemini. Like that. You just simply come here and paste it. Okay. Yeah, I just okay. Just say here this two model. This one and two. They are were different way, and you give this answer. Okay. You find this answer. Okay. Here is the two model. It choose the system automatically. And if you read one, and if you feel someone's good answer, just you say I'm not reading, but I say A is good answer giving. So A using open this is one randomly choose. Okay, then side by side. This is one of my favorite thing that you can choose any model like that. Here the least outbound of the model. This is totally free. You can choose anyone, and you can choose anyone and still the same process. This model is built. You just paste here. And that's built. You get this output. And this llama is short answer and this follows the key in deep answer. This is get model. So I just said this is get model. Okay. Then you have the direct chat option like a chat GPT. So you just come here, you choose any model, like this is text model, this is coding model. If you want to code, this model is good for you. This is image generated model. If you want to generate email, oh sorry, images. So you just come here and try to create it. And this is browser. So this is browser for you can search anything like that way. I just choose like Max is the most popular. It's a 12 thing, so I just use it. This Max. So Max is female. So okay, this is something I'll see if you are human or not. Okay, I hope you understand everything. This is our website, and you just come here and explore. Okay, this is okay, perfect. I hope you understand about this free AI